Tired of those annoying
potholes ruining your driveway or parking lot? Let's talk about Asphalt Plus. With our top-notch pothole repair, crack filling, and seal coating, we'll have your surfaces looking like new in no time. Seriously, there's nothing like that fresh look. It's like giving your property a makeover that not only looks good but also protects your investment. Imagine driving over a flawless surface, no bumps, no worries. Plus, our spring special gives you 10% off. That's right, your chance to save while making your home shine. Don't wait until those cracks turn into major headaches. Hit that message button now and transform your property today. You won't regret it.